How to submit trademark application. Once the trademark application has been obtained via the Federal Trademark Electronic Application System, HEAS, take the following actions to successfully submit it. 1. Provide contact information. Include the owner's contact details, such as mailing address, email address, and fax number. 2. Choose mark format. Specify the format of your mark as either standard character, special character, or sound mark. 3. Complete picture and specimen section. For special character marks, submit a drawing, JPEG format. Also, provide a specimen, either an electronic audio or video file for sound marks, or a graphic illustrating planned use for standard or special character marks. Specify goods and services. Detail the goods and services for which the mark will be used, following the U.S. Acceptable Identification of Goods and Services Manual. 5. Select filing basis. Choose one of the 4 bases. Use in commerce, intent to use, foreign application exists, or foreign registration exists based on your situation. 6. Pay filing fee and submit. Pay the filing fee, which can be up to $400 per class of goods or services. The USPTO will review the application within 3 months, and if necessary, address any concerns raised by a trademark attorney. If challenges arise, you'll be notified, and after successfully countering any issues, your trademark will be approved, a process that may take months to years.